Hello everyone. Well, they worked all day, all morning Saturday and all day today on my ruddy van trying to fix them damn marker lights. And they said they had to be wired into the ignition so that when you turn the ignition on, they came on. And now it's like a bloody Christmas tree. As soon as you turn the ignition on, there's lights all day outside and the mark lights at the front. I don't know if there's hook at the back. I haven't looked. Anyway, it cost a packet, as you can well expect. But I got it at around about 5 o'clock tonight. And I'm going to load up and I'm going to drive through night to get down to Somerset to avoid the chaos that is on the motorways. I don't like going on motorways, but I'm going to drive on motorways through night and probably have a few hours in a lay-by or something. So that's what I'm planning to do. Alright, so that's my update. Okay, see you later.